process of change and transformation. In the end, the story of WST-12b is a story of the universe itself, a universe that is constantly changing, constantly in a state of flux. It is a reminder that everything in the cosmos, from the smallest particle to the largest planet, is subject to the forces of time and change. The Enigma, JJ1214b, and the Search for a Water World. JJ1214b is a planet shrouded in mystery. Located about 48 light-years from Earth in the constellation Ophiuchus, this world has captured the imagination of scientists and astronomers since its discovery in 2009. JJ1214b is often referred to as a super-Earth, a type of exoplanet that is larger than Earth but smaller than the gas giants like Neptune and Uranus. What makes JJ1214b so intriguing is not just its size, but the thick, mysterious atmosphere that surrounds it. An atmosphere that has sparked countless theories and debates about what lies beneath its clouds. From the moment it was first observed, JJ1214b has presented scientists with a puzzle. The planet orbits a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, and it does so at a distance that places it in what could be a habitable zone, depending on the specifics of its atmosphere. However, what truly sets JJ1214b apart is that its atmosphere is dense and opaque, making it nearly impossible to observe the planet's surface directly. This thick veil has led to a wealth of speculation about the nature of this distant world. One of the most compelling theories about JJ1214b is that it could be a water world, a planet covered entirely by a deep global ocean. This idea stems from the planet's low density, which suggests that it is composed largely of water or other light materials, rather than rock or metal. If true, JJ1214b could be a world unlike any other we have ever encountered, a planet where water is not just a feature of the landscape, but the defining characteristic of the entire world. The possibility of a water world raises many fascinating questions. Could life exist in such an environment? On Earth, water is a critical ingredient for life, and wherever we find water, we tend to find life as well. If JJ1214b is indeed covered in a vast ocean, it might also harbor some form of life, perhaps in its deep, dark waters, shielded from the harsh conditions of space by the planet's thick atmosphere. But the challenges of studying such a distant and obscured world mean that these questions remain tantalizingly out of reach, at least for now. The mystery of JJ1214b's atmosphere only deepens as scientists continue to study it. Early observations using the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that the planet's atmosphere might be rich in water vapor, further supporting the water world theory. However, the exact composition of the atmosphere remains unclear. Some models suggest that the atmosphere could be dominated by clouds of high-altitude steam, while others propose that it might be made up of more exotic materials, such as hydrogen or methane. Each of these possibilities would have profound implications for what lies beneath the clouds. If the atmosphere is indeed rich in water vapor, then JJ1214b could be a steamy, hot world, with a thick layer of water vapor enveloping a deep ocean. But if the atmosphere is instead dominated by hydrogen, the planet could be more akin to a mini Neptune, with a thick gaseous envelope surrounding a rocky or icy core. Alternatively, if methane is the primary